And what are the importance is, in Japan, there are 4 times dietitians than Indian dietitian, number of dietitians.
Okay.
What is number of dietitians? Suppose in India, there are 100 for every 1 lakh dietitians. The same people in Japan, they are having 400 dietitians for the same 1 lakh population.
Okay.
But Indian population is 12 times bigger than India, Japan.
Yeah.
Even then, we are unable to understand the importance of dietitians.
Yes.
So diet is the main reason for good health. So for this purpose, the Japan has introduced dietitian laws in 1947 itself, and for these professional qualifications and regulations also implemented in Japan. The same can be implemented for good health in any country, and that is one of the opportunity we can learn from others. See, and all this will possible, and that can be adapted by a universally available system like Japan's handbook, and follow-up care, health care, workers' dietitians. Families receive constant quality care. This is most important. As I told you, prevention is better than cure.
Yes.
Not only the person, the family, insurance companies, government, and everything will take care of to maintain the good health of citizens. And food education is also important. Generally, we don't care for what are the food available, what are the food we given, we'll take.
Yes.
Which are tasty for us. But what Japan says is, which maintains good health only, which food is good for health only, you take the food which is good for health, and which prevents chronic diseases, and which ensures healthy in future also in better time, and longer ensures longer efficient, longer period
Lifetime.
longer lifetime, and also working capacity. And all this balancing in life, all this will be possible with by following Japan's lifestyle, and that is possible. That is that they have introduced an act in Shokuku Act in 2005, and that will all this information will be provided to workers during lunchtime, and students too in a classroom, dining spaces, and students participate in serving food also.
Okay.
This is just like a habit. Students not only taking the food, and they should be able to serve also.
Serve the food.
And they will know the importance of food quality, neatness, and also the nutrition. All these things students can be learned from the student age itself. So for this purpose, serving food, cleaning up, and learning about balanced diet also will be made educated to students. That is and this is felt as social responsibility of community, not by the government, not by the individual. It is a responsibility. Even by the community also takes over the charge to maintain that good diet to provide good diet to healthy diet to citizens. This is felt as a responsibility. And practical nutrition education also. Generally, in olden days we used to say, old illiterate mothers, grandmothers also used to say, this is good for health, this is not good for health.
Yes.
This oil is good, this is not good, and this fruits are good, these fruits are not good. And periodically also they used to say. The same is, of course, it was treated as orthodox.
Yes.
But now this became, after knowing the importance of that healthy food, now people are realizing the importance of those advices. See,
yes.
The advices from last 50, 60 years also. And during the midday meals also, India is providing midday meals to many students, school students. And that can be given a healthy meal, nutrition food to students to maintain good health. And also making them to understand the importance of food quality, healthy food, education also. So, it means not teaching the students not only the subject or knowledge, but also the lifestyle, food habits, and also the other things required for good health. Lifelong healthy habits also will be known to the student. And many Japanese companies employ certified dietitians. Generally, we will appoint doctors here.
Yes.
And doctor's role will come after disease comes, after attacked by disease.
Yeah.
But dietitian role starts before any disease effects.
Yes.
The person. So the importance of dietitians are understood by entire Japan country, and they are appointing dietitians more than the doctors. And workforce nutrition, pure nutrition in schools, and how food is to be made. Preparation of food is also made known to students and others also, because they will know the ingredients, which ingredients are used and which are healthy, which are not healthy, how much quantity, and that is also made known to the public. And also at the public places it will be prepared, and it will be known the person who consumes the food. And this is important for wellness in workplaces and societal health also.
Yes.
It's the most important for us. Nutrition is not just for functional but also cultural. In 1998, that fifth taste has been developed by Japan. That is replaces our you can say salt, and that is monosodium glutamate. It's called monosodium glutamate, umami. After described savory taste, plays a crucial role in Japanese cuisine, and this is prepared from essence of flavor, and this is eventually led to the establishment ultimately the world's first umami seasoning company that introduced taste the punch. So unlike harmful effects, excessive salt and sugar, MSG is a sodium salt of glutamate, and that protects good health, maintains good health, and this is which naturally represents the foods like tomatoes, mushrooms, and milk, and these are the ingredients for MSG product. Despite misconception about MSG, Japan is still using the MSG as important diet in their lifestyle.
Okay.
And this also plays an important role in Japan's nutrition strategy. And also to reduce the salt is a major ingredient for ill health. So as reduce the salt, the disease will come down. And instead of salt, the Japan is using MSG that is prepared from many agriculture fruits and vegetables like that. And because India is having vast country, very large country, different habits, different lifestyle, and different fruits, different food habits, all this requires a lot of changes required at bottom level, local level. Means for every 100 kilometers, there will be a change of food habit, lifestyle, and conversation also will change. All this has to be taken care of for maintaining good health. So this is the importance that we should learn many things from Japan for maintaining good health with the help of healthy diet, and the importance given to dietitians, and also preventive care, preventive health care instead of treatment after disease. Prevention of disease is most important. Japan has given a lot of importance to this prevention. For this reason, Japan is having a healthy population, having longer lifespan, and also ability to work, efficiency, physical fitness to work is most important. That can be that we have to learn from Japan regarding diet, food habits.